is my FabFitFun, and we get it 4 times a year, and this is the summer one. That's a magazine. This is just like a coupon. I always send this, we don't see that. That's a coupon. Wow, pretty. Okay, I got this brightening purple clay mask. Generation Clay. It rejuvenates dull skin and boosts hydration. So this is for your face. Alright, and then I got these hair ties, which I already have some of these. They're nice. They're funny looking, but they're nice. Cool. Yep. Alright. Then we got I can't open boxes. Just a little tube. Next. I feel like there's a lot in here. Oh, resistance bands. Like workout bands. I actually kind of wanted some of these. No, I have some. These are always good. I got different colors. That normally means like different colors or different intensities. Got heavy, light, and medium. Alright, moving on. What is this? Fast absorbing body cream. Helps tighten and soothe like no other. Cool. It's a cool, nice little weird looking bottle thing. It's just oh, this wrap. Oops. I made a little mess. I have no idea what smell this is. Maybe like honey? Honey smell? You can put it on and see how it feels. Just try not to make a mess putting this back up. So I only got a little bit and it goes a pretty long way. It's a little more like, now it smells kind of different. Alright, that's nice. It does kind of like stay on a little bit. This is Brazilian Play Moisturizing Shower Cream Gel. There's a cap on it so I can't smell it. This is a nice cool little bottle. I think it's the same brand as, yeah it is, as this. It probably smells the same. Let's try not to make a mess with this one. Yeah. I don't think I like that much all that close up, but like this little bit was fine. It's a little strong close up. Right. Next we have Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. So I think they're just like sheet mask. Just masks are always nice to have. Now we have Nourishing Styling Cream. It stops frizz. Next we have Exfoliating Foot Mask. It smooths and softens. It smells it's good. It's like coconutty. It's really coconutty. Alright. Last thing is Grace and Stella Spray All Day Rose Spray. Hydrating Rose Facial Spray. I have some of this, but not this brand that I like to use. So it's kind of starting to get low, so this is nice. The thing I love about this box is that it's like $50 and you get so many things. And they're like full size. Like this is a big, like all these are big. Like how many things do we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 things I think you get. And you can, like, if you sign up for the whole year, then it's a little bit cheaper, I think. And also, if you want to do it monthly, then, like, people always have coupon codes. Like, I know all the bachelorettes and stuff have coupon codes, so you can just look them up. Ooh, this is a nice big one. Smells like rose water. And so yeah, that's my FabFitFun for the summer. And I love getting these because it's like Christmas. You should get all these things. So yeah, give us a thumbs up.
So stoked we are getting done. Bags packed, so we're on the run today.